Welcome to our backyard. You want to see what we did for our weekend project? Follow me. First of all, we extended this. It used to stop here. It used to go right to the deck. Go like this. So we extended it out. Took it cement. And then this is all new. We added all this red Cherokee rock. This goes all around here. We're going to have lattice under here as soon as my husband buys it. This goes over here. All the way over here. And then we're going to dig up and divide some of these big hostas over here and plant them right here. I'm not sure, I might come right here too. Then it comes back around. To our water fountain. And under this is a 3 foot by 3 foot, like a little pond, full of water with a pump, and it goes up through a hose and into the back of our pot, and it just keeps recirculating and making that wonderful relaxing sound. Just sit out on our deck and enjoy. And that's all. Okay.